But we need to explain that because we don't have the language for that. And I've been watching, of course, I've been experiencing it. We've been trying to find the language. Martin Luther King was trying to find the language, if you think about it. He was trying to find that language. And he had some of it, but the economy wasn't fully built, not to the point where it is today. All right. And it was less articulable then. It was very, very hard to define where the wealth truly, resided. Today it's much easier, at least. All right, because it's much more portable, definable, regulated, tracked, documented, and accessible if we know how to get to it and ask